Hi there, it's Alex. Welcome back to The Right Time and part 2 of our mindfulness writing exercises. Today we'll be doing a quick reflection we like to call a daily check-in. This exercise is pretty straightforward. It's very easy to do, and you could do it right from bed in the morning. First things first, consider labeling your entry. That way you can look back on it later and tell exactly what you were grateful for on a given day. Then, the first thing you'll write is something good that happened yesterday. It could be anything. For me, it would be hanging out with my little brother. Next, write down something that you want to achieve today. This could be something simple, like calling a friend, or something more complicated, like filming a YouTube video. After that, you'll write down an obstacle that might get in the way of you achieving that goal. Maybe you're feeling tired, or it's raining today and the rain makes you sad, or it's really nice out and you'd rather be outside doing something in nature. Be honest with yourself, because it helps you overcome that obstacle. Last, you'll write what you're grateful for today. It could be big, it could be small. Today, I'm grateful I get to snuggle with my dog. There you have it. I have a full reflection of my day down. I set some intentions for what lies ahead. And I also took some moments to reflect on what I'm really grateful for from yesterday and today. As you can see, a daily check-in is quick. You only need a pen or pencil for it, and it helps you set some goals and spark some gratitude for your day ahead. I hope you find this exercise to be super helpful in developing a strong writing practice. Feel free to leave some comments below with your thoughts. Subscribe, like, and tune in for more writing activities coming soon. Remember, there's never a wrong time to write. See you soon.